you the official soundtracks for tonight's fireworks shows, exclusively on KYW News Radio 1039 FM. Depend on us for all news and all that matters to you. We'd like to thank tonight's title sponsor, Rivers Casino Philadelphia, for their continued support for these spectacular shows, as well as the Delaware River Waterfront Corporation, Mayor Jim Kenney, and the City of Philadelphia. Visit Philadelphia, and NBC 10, Telemundo 62, all of whom, together with KYW News Radio, helped bring you tonight's fireworks. And now, it's time to get this party started. Let's count down to 2023.
Should old acquaintance be forgot, and days of old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness, yeah, for days of days of old lang syne, days of old lang syne, days of old lang syne.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So raise your glass if you
the music dies, but you don't see me standing here.
And you got me locked out. What you want from me? And try to buy your pretty heart. The price too high.
And babe, if it's 505,
Happy New Year! Thanks so much for celebrating the new year with us. Continue your New Year's celebrations tonight and all winter long on the waterfront at Rivers Casino, Philadelphia, Blue Cross River Rink Winterfest, Cherry Street Pier, the Independence Seaport Museum, City Experiences Cruises, the Moshulu, and in historic Philadelphia. Come back and stay for the night or the weekend to visit all of Philadelphia's great attractions. Go to visitphilly.com to plan your stay. The Delaware River Waterfront Corporation is proud to produce the Rivers Casino New Year's Eve fireworks on the waterfront at 6 p.m. and midnight. These spectacular shows were made possible by Rivers Casino, Philadelphia. We'd like to thank the City of Philadelphia, Visit Philadelphia, and NBC 10 Telemundo 62, all of whom, together with KYW News Radio, helped bring you tonight's shows. The fireworks tonight were designed by Pyrotechnico, with soundtracks by Under the Sun Productions, along with broadcasting the official soundtracks for tonight's fireworks shows. KYW News Radio is proud to be your station for all news and all that matters to you. Wishing you all the best for a happy and healthy new year.
Time to go. Koreyexpress2 signing out.